Oh no! What the hell? Okay, we are on a walk. Yeah, there. No moron walking here, okay? All right, welcome to Da Nang. We are walking in a side street of the Chao Thi Vinh Teh Street. We'll put on the map link here so you see where we are, okay? We're gonna walk this little sneaky route and I can show you how local it is, even though it is 5 minutes, or actually only 1 minute away from the Chao Thi Vinh Teh area. Someone asked me, oh, is it only white people here or tourists? No, it's not. We are still in Vietnam, and if you just go a few side streets, everything is Vietnamese here. It's just a one little neighborhood that is very popular with tourists. And I think the government actually built this area just for the tourists, because it's also called Tourist Town. All right. I'm not sure what's going on here. What is going on here? There's some dancing or some kind of ritual? I'm not sure. I don't know what it is. Comment below if you know what that is. There's also parking over there. I have no idea. Here you can get some sticky rice in the morning. Beautiful. Whenever you see XOI, that's sticky rice. Beautiful. Just get one portion. If you see that, get a portion of sticky rice. Absolutely lovely. This is the Chao Thi Vinh Teh Street, but we're gonna walk all the side streets now. Because sometimes you can actually find super good food here. What is not even on Google Maps, you know? Like those sausages here, hot stone sausages. Bun cha kha for 20k, ooh la la. Here you have a 10,000 coffee for 40 cents, all right? 40 cents black coffee. And 45 cents for the milk coffee. You have a mini mart over here. So much to explore here. This is a beautiful thing, you're always safe exploring these little side streets. While in South America, it's not always the best idea to do. I never seen this place. This is a rice place, pork and rice place. Oh!
It's like eating sausages.
Sausage on the way. Hey, we're doing a food tour today. I cannot eat so much here.
That's good.
Okay.
I need it. He needs his energy, definitely.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's like it.
Oh, look at this. Beautiful pork chop. Look at how many street food places are here. And people probably don't even know the street. Can you imagine? This is crazy. But I want to take the time to thank few of my members, actually all of them. I want to thank Vigla DLT, Carrie, Martin, Mark, Richard, David, Sonny, Dimitri, Heinrich, Christian, Danny, Darren, Andrew, Rod, Scott, Travel Guy, Dan, Francois, Kevin, Indochina Micha, and Adam Hunter. Thank you so much for being a member of my channel and supporting my work. Look at this beautiful street here. I have never been here. This is a hidden gems. Look at how many street food places there are.
The street is Ton That Kiep.
Yeah. So this is the street name, guys. Okay. This whole street. It looks like just a little side street where no one is. But look how many street vendors there are. Full of places, non-stop. This is crazy. This is crazy. I absolutely love it. Lots of banh mi places come from.
Look at the, you can point the prices.
Yeah, the prices are insane. Banh beo. Wow. Banh kun nong, okay. Ooh. But where's the banh kun oven? Ah, it's over there. So these are just places where some aunties cooking right at their house in the basement. This is crazy. This is so good. And those kind of streets you will have everywhere in Vietnam. So little side streets, but sometimes they build up this little epicenter of street food goodness, you know. It's very good. And as you can see, like there is most likely all those places are not on Google, and the only way they can survive is like getting good food out for the neighborhood, you know. So it's not like that they do any kind of marketing or something. It's just word to mouth. You have to bring up good food. So I trust those small little auntie shops more than any official restaurant, because official restaurants, they hire people with very low wage, and sometimes they are just not in the mood on doing it properly or something, you know. You never know. But if your restaurant or your little side stand is your business and your livelihood and your name and your face is behind it, and you sitting there and cooking for the people, I think it's way more meaningful and like what is it called? I don't know. Comment below what I mean. You on this channel have to work more than I do here. Okay guys, so there's more rice places, but now we're gonna go back to the Chao Thi Vinh Tê Street because I'm filming actually today a banh mi tour. Hello doggo. A banh mi tour. We already did the pork belly banh mi next to the Bach Mian market, and now we're gonna do 2 more. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check out my main channel where I'm gonna review all those places. So where are we here now? We need to, we have to move. We have to go back here. We walked too far. Now we are back here at the Chao Thi Vinh Tê. Okay. Some barbershops. Lots of pork belly places here as well, like this. This is the rice and pork belly. Heo Quay. And they also have the rice and pork chop and kom tam. They have pretty much everything. Oh, look at this. This is a Ban Kun place. Interesting. That's a new Ban Kun place. Oh, I absolutely love Ban Kun, but yeah, we're gonna try it out another time. So here the only negative thing about the street is you cannot walk on the footpath, on the sidewalk, on the pavement. You cannot walk on it because, I mean, you can, but you always have to do parkour, you know. One important thing if you live in Vietnam or travel to Vietnam, watch your step, watch your step, watch your step. Don't look at your phone and walk. It can be deadly. It can be absolutely deadly. Especially if you're a little bit taller, you can walk into things very easily and walk against things. Right? Oh, I have a very nice story. A friend of mine, he walked on the beach, okay, and he saw a very pretty lady walking by, and he turned his head and walked with his knee against the bench. And it hurt him very much. So be careful, guys. Be careful. Be focused on walking here. Ciao! How are you? Oh, so this is Italy approved?
Really good espresso.
Espresso, oh, okay. Awesome. Have a good day, mate. All right. This was a good friend. Also has a very nice Italian restaurant. Very proud Italian. They make a very good pasta. And I think I made a walking tour about that already. Now we're gonna go here. I did a video here one time about the round banh mi, but we're gonna try out the normal banh mi. I'm excited. This is your recommendation, and he always goes here. He absolutely loves it.
Every
And
morning.
they have 24/7, right?
Yeah, every morning at 3, 4 o'clock after the beer street.
if you are hangover, if you go on a night out, so listen carefully, guys. If you go on a night out and you want to have a banh mi at 3 a.m., this is open, guys. This is open, okay? So check out my video about that. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video, click a like, hit the subscribe, and see you in the next walk.